If you're finding it difficult making money with CPA marketing, I'm actually going to be showing you a very unique and amazing strategy, which is actually a black hat method you can use to go on to making money with CPA grip right here. So guys, as you can see right here, this is how much I've actually made right now in today's revenue just by using this simple strategy. So all you actually have to do is watch this video to the end and learn this simple strategy and actually go on to utilizing that to go on to making money online. And with that being said guys, and no more delay of time, let's just simply dive right into today's video. So firstly, what you want to do right now guys is to actually head onto this platform called CPA Grip and actually go on to creating a simple account right here. So you want to just simply click on register, be brought to this page, and just provide your basic details right now, which is actually required of you. You could actually do focus on the field only having this red asterisk signs, as they are actually the field which you must go on to fill in before your account can get created. Once you do that, check these boxes out like I did right here and actually do go on to clicking on register now. So once you do register for an account, you can go on to logging into your account. So once you actually do log into your account, as you can see right now, I'm logged into my account. I'm just going to go on to this particular section. Make sure you do click on the monetization tools, and once you do that, this drop down list will be shown to you. Click on URL file locker and actually come right here. You want to just simply click on create new URL file locker, agree to the terms of service, click on continue, and once you do click on continue right now, a page is actually going to load up for you to actually go on to creating your URL file locker. Now basically you want to leave this page open, and if you do leave this page open, you want to just simply go on to Google and search for something like logo designs. And if you do search for logo designs, I'm just going to go on to maybe downloading some logos, or I'm just going to select a category of logo right now, maybe the professional type of logo, and you can actually do see some cool logo designs right here. So I'm going to just simply download this on my device. Once I do download this, I'm going to download about 4 different logos on my device. So if I download this also, so guys, once you successfully downloaded the 4 logos, you want to head onto platforms like the Google Drive right now. So if you do head onto Google Drive, you want to just simply go into creating a particular page right now, or a particular folder, and if you do click on plus, click on folder, name that particular folder the logo design. You can actually do see right here, I actually do have a particular folder right here. So I actually have some logos right now in this particular folder. What I'm going to do is to actually add more. So I'm going to right click on file upload, and actually do go on to add in the remaining 4 logos. So once you can see right now, the logos are actually being uploaded on this particular platform. You then want to just simply come right here, click on this particular drop down list, click on share, and once you do click on share once more, and you will be brought to a pop-up page where you can actually do go on to getting the link to this particular Google Drive folder. And right now you want to make sure that you actually leave the general access on anyone with the link. So if you do that right now, copy the link, and you want to then just simply go on to lock in that link in your URL file locker right here. So I'm going to log that in my URL file locker. If I do come right here to the template section, I'm just going to go on to using either the captcha template or the human verification template. So if I use the captcha right here guys, I'm going to head back to the general section and actually do give this locker a name. So if I do give this locker a name such as logo samples or something like that, I'm just going to go on to editing all this section based on my preference. Once you are done, click on save, and your URL file locker right here will actually be created. So once that has been created, click on get link, and you can actually do customize this to your preference. I'm just going to customize this to something like logo samples. If I do click on change, this is actually in use. Maybe I might change this right here to something like this, and do click on change. This is also in use. I'm going to put in something like this right here, and this is also in use. So basically guys, you just want to keep trying on till you can get something that is actually available right now. As you can see, this is available. I'm just going to copy this right now. I'm going to head back to this section, copy the link, and actually try as much as possible to get traffic to this. And to get traffic to this guys, you first want to head onto platforms like the Google document and actually do create a simple document such as this. So I'm going to open this document, and you can actually do see how the document looks like. The document actually just simply contains, so guys, once you do having something like this which says click the link below to check out a logo samples, What you want to do right now is to actually do go on to highlighting this particular text right here. And if you do highlight that, you could come right here to this section, click on insert, and make sure you actually do go on to inserting a link. And you can actually do see the link option right here. I can remove the link. Maybe once this is actually highlighted, guys, you can just simply come onto this section. This is the link icon. Click on this, and you want to just simply paste in the link to your URL file locker. Once I paste in that link right now, click on apply. That has actually been applied. So once somebody do click on click here, it's automatically going to take them to my URL file locker before they can actually do gain access to that logo samples. So once that is done, you want to click on file, and you want to just simply go on to downloading this right here. And if you're downloading this, make sure you download this as a document format so that no one can actually go on to changing this. Download that as a PDF format, and once that has been downloaded, you then want to just simply head onto platforms like the freelancer.com, truelancers.com, or even Fiverr right here to do this. And guys, you want to make sure that in doing this simple strategy, you're actually going to be using a different account separate from your normal account right here, because if you do get caught, you might actually do get banned. So what you want to do right now is to actually come onto this particular section and actually go on to searching for stuff like logo design. So if I do go on to searching for logo design right here, you'll be able to go on to seeing a lot of gigs right now on Fiverr that are actually offering this particular or giving out these particular services. You can see about 210,000 people are offering this service on Fiverr. What you want to do right now is to actually do go on to click on one of these particular gig. If you do click on this particular gig, it's going to take you to this page right here where you can see more details about the gig. So right here, you could just simply go on to contacting this particular person right here. And in contacting this person, you'll be shown a section where you can actually do go on to drop in a message for this particular person. And in the message, you just want to tell the person that you are actually, or your company is actually hiring someone or looking for someone to hire in creating their logo designs. And you want to put in an amount that you're actually going to be paying about $500 monthly for that particular job. And you can also go on to telling the person to actually check out samples of the company's logo to see if you can reproduce similar stuff, and you're going to paste in your link right there for them. And since they're actually interested in getting some cool jobs, they're actually going to go on to clicking on that link, and that link is first of all going to take them to your Google documents, of which they're actually going to click here, and it's also going to take them to your URL file locker if they do complete an offer before they can actually do gain access to that particular logo samples on your Google Doc. So this is actually a very cool strategy which you can go on to using, but it's a black hat method. Once platforms like Fiverr actually do notice that that's what you're doing, your account will actually get banned, and you want to just simply go on to using a much more better way to promote your CPA marketing offers. But I just said let me just simply go on to giving you this simple strategy on how you can go on to promoting your offers using a very cool black hat method. So guys, if this video was helpful, do make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure notification bell is always turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.